Hello there, everybody. Okay, so now that we have our Apollo Chrome extension, our mailbox is set up and configured, and a little context around what that Chrome extension does, I want you guys next to understand templates. Okay, so let's describe what templates come into play with here. So let's say that we connect with somebody on the phone and we get a send more information, right? Or let's say that we um, reach out to somebody and we get the wrong person, right? We want to be able to follow up with that person in a way that relates the context of that interaction with our email here. Okay, so in terms of finding the templates here that we have built, okay, let's go over to engage in Apollo, right, and then emails. Okay, so here in emails, you can see templates, right? This is where they live. You can come in and understand what I'm building. But let's use a specific example, okay? So let's say you just hang up with a prospect and you want to go reach out to that person, okay? So let's say we're talking about Dan here. So I want you to click into Dan, and then I want you to click his email address right here, okay? So you can see that the um, email here loads, and it's kind of like when you had a new message in Gmail, right? So what I do not want you guys to do is use your easypress.ai email, okay? We have these additional seats for this exact purpose. If you do use this easypress.ai email, I'm going to be in touch with you, and we have to have a talk about why that's not, how we want to go about this. So select one of your rotating additional emails here, right? And all you need to do there, guys, is then go into load existing templates. So let's just try one out. So let's say send more info here. And I'll have this updated by the morning, by the way. But you can see that we updated this email with the actual information that we need that is normally time consuming. So instead of hey first name, we auto populated to hey Dan. Instead of useful for company, we auto populated with Lohman and Associates. Okay, so that's just a quick look at. Okay, I just got off the phone with a person, right? Like, how do I make sure that I'm following up here? Okay, so these are our templates, and this goes out immediately after you hang up with somebody. That's not a booked meeting, but also not a fuck off, right? We want it to be a nice conversation, and we want to be, getting in touch with them. But we also want to provide value while we're doing that. So I want you guys to use this as it's a template, right? So I want you then to put in the context of your conversation that's going to be important here. And from here, I want to provide more value to that prospect. Okay. So let's just say that he's at lowmanassociates.com, right? Let's go over to lowmanassociates.com. Okay, cool. Sorry. We're going to go right into EasyPress here. I want you to come in, just paste. Okay. I want you to run this. And then from there, I want you to just do a quick screenshot here. Okay, guys. So quick screenshot here of the target audience and the SEO keywords. Okay. I want them to understand that we know their business, and we're actually doing work for them. So I want you to take this screenshot here, and then I want you to come over to this template that we just made. And I just want you to take this image and I want you to insert it right there. Okay. Um, Now, we don't want to send too many like pieces of JavaScript here, things that you interact with, right? We want mostly HTML or the text that you see here. But I think this is valuable enough, and as long as we don't have links in our email, we're going to be in good shape. Okay, so this would be an example kind of follow up, but also this explains like templates, right? So we're going to get a bunch of different objections. It could be price, it could be authority, it could be need, right? So I'm going to have that all built out for us, but you guys should utilize these templates here. I'm not going to send this, but let's just say we did, right? what happens next? Okay. How do you follow up with this person? So for right now, I want you guys to come in here. And you know what? This is going to be its own video. Thank you.